A lot of you have been asking if split ends can be fixed or repaired. Well, something that's dead cannot be repaired. Once a hair split, it's beyond saving. Trimming your hair is the only way to get rid of split ends. I know how difficult it is to let go of the length, but once you do, your hair will magically appear healthier and fuller. Now that you got rid of the split ends, what next? You can't just sit around waiting for them to reappear in a few months like the Demogorgon from Stranger Things. So we act fast and arm ourselves with the best split end fighting weapons that I guarantee you will nip it in the bud. Before we move on, I'd like to tell you that this video is sponsored by Purple, which is India's #1 beauty destination. It is also my go-to place for all of my skin, hair and beauty needs. So the next time you're in the mood to shop, just download the Purple app or head over to www.purple.com for some amazing offers, speedy delivery and an impeccable customer service. Regular protein treatments are a must to strengthen your hair shaft. Now I know this may sound bizarre, but the most effective and affordable protein treatment lies in your refrigerator. Just grab a jar of mayonnaise and slather it on the ends of your hair. The proteins and oils in mayonnaise will rejuvenate and hydrate your strands. Wash after 30 minutes for intense hydration. Seal your cuticles by mixing 2 vitamin E capsules with a splash of either argan, coconut or olive oil. Coat the ends of your hair and leave it overnight to lock in moisture. This antioxidant-rich blend will nourish your delicate strands and protect it from everyday damage. Dry, dehydrated hair is an invitation for frayed ends. To avoid that, always apply a leave-in conditioner on damp hair post-shower. This will keep those shaggy ends super hydrated throughout the day, leaving zero chances for those annoying split ends to crop up. But remember, just the way the Demogorgon is incredibly sensitive to heat, exposing your hair to harsh sunlight, using hot water or heat tools is enough to split it into two. So if you want to keep the monster alive, in this case it's your hair, make some lifestyle changes and follow these tips. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.